At a party, part of you wants to jump on the table and dance, but another part of you says, wait, people are watching. That tug of war is exactly what sociologist George Herbert Mead was talking about with his concepts of the I and the me. Let's break them down fast. Mead believed our sense of self develops through social interaction. We aren't born knowing how to behave. We learn by watching, playing, and eventually taking on the perspective of society itself. The me is the socialized self, the version of you that understands society's rules and expectations. It's your internalized voice of society telling you how you should act. Example, the me says, don't dance on the table. That's inappropriate. It represents conformity, order, and predictability. The I is the spontaneous, creative self, the part that reacts to the me and can break free from rules. Example, the I says, but it would be fun. It represents individuality, unpredictability, and free will. Your behavior is shaped by a constant dialogue between the I and the me. The me provides structure, while the I injects creativity. Together, they make up your full sense of self. On the MCAT, watch for clues. References to social norms or rules, think me. References to creativity or spontaneous action, think I. Knowing this distinction can help you eliminate wrong answers fast. And that's Mead's I and me, one of the simplest but most testable theories on the MCAT psychology sociology section.